In this video, I'm going to tell you how to set up JavaScript with the VSC Visual Studio Code on Windows. Before starting, guys, if you are new on channel, please subscribe to our channel Karam and like video. So let's start the video. So first of all, you have to open the browser and you have to download the Node latest version. You can go to this nodejs.org and you will get this page, and you have to install the latest version, or which is the 18.212. Just install this, and it is of 29 point so yeah, it is being downloaded. Now once it is installed, just once it is downloaded, just install it. Right now it is being downloaded. Now open this uh, file to install it. And click on next button after once it is visible. So right now it is computing space requirement. Now click on next, accept the license agreement, click on next, and click on next, and click on next. Don't check this button. And now click on install. So once it is installed, just open CMD and open it, and now search and node hyphen version. So it will show you the node version. Now once this is done, now let's go back to our VSC. So if you didn't install, you can install it by, you have to search just Visual Studio Code, and just go to this page. I'll give you this link, and just down click on this button, download button, to install it for Windows. Once it is installed, now what you have to do, you have to create a file. So you can create a file here, new text file, and let me increase the size. So now save this file as JS. So just save, click on save as, and save this file on desktop, so it will help you to write. So this is our first Java script, or first, but only we can write first here, and JS. Just save it as JS, and once it is saved, now what you have to do, basically you can write a simple console code in JavaScript. So you can write like, now you can open the terminal here, or we can write one more line here. So console dot log and welcome to JavaScript tutorial. Fine. Now just open the terminal here, new terminal. So it will take time to start. So once get this line, where so the username, and now you have to go to the directory or navigate the directory where the file is saved. So we have saved this file on the desktop, and so just type cd and desktop. Fine. And after this, you have to type the file name. So sorry, just type node and then file name, which is first.js. And as you can see, it is printing hello students and welcome to the JavaScript tutorial. So I wrote the spelling of student wrong. So yeah, fine. You can run the function as well. So we can write a function here and example and this curly bracket return 500. Fine. And after that, let's execute, or we can. So why is this showing an error? So we can see the example should include parentheses as well. So I forget to add parentheses. So this is a function. Now just execute this function in console, or just return this value in console. So just use the function which is example and use parentheses as well. And after this, we can also apply some operation in console. So just console and let's plus just apply some operation, mathematical operation like 4 plus 5, and just save it, and let's run execute this code again. As you can see, welcome to student, hello students, welcome to JavaScript tutorial, and ये आ गया 500, function is returning 500 and 4 plus 5 is 9. So yeah, that's how you can run your first JavaScript code on Windows in Visual Studio Code. I hope you like it, and you can basically we don't need Visual Studio Code for JavaScript usually, because we can just run uh, by using just open the file in the browser and your code will be run. So you don't need, but it will execute, it will help you to debug your code, or it will help you to write code more fastly, because it will suggest you everything like this is a function. So it has a very AI intelligence, artificial intelligence technology to suggest you everything, or next line that you, so that helps you to write your long code or won't bore you, or if you forget something it will suggest you something, so you don't have to worry. That will definitely help you to write more code, and you won't get bored in this Visual Studio Code, and that's why it is best among best is. So yeah, I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye.